What are you doing, Bubs?
It's super fast.
He loves all those presents.
He's rubbing a stick all over.
Look how cute he is. This is the first movie Devin and I ever saw together.
I've never seen it.
Nightmare Before Christmas. Isn't that right, Devin? Or
You guys go to the movie theater?
we had a cab take us because I didn't have a car.
You guys blasted up.
That was when he first came up here. I think he was visiting that time.
You didn't have a car? Did you fly?
He flew up. That was the one time you flew up, yeah.
Wow, this thing is tiny.
Smaller than my phone, huh?
Yeah, I'm watching you.
I'm innocent. I haven't done anything. Innocent till proven guilty. That one's guilty till proven innocent.
I can't stand it. He's so cute.
Plus, he's totally out of season there. What's with the pumpkin?
I know. It's easy to put on him really quick, and it fits him really well. The other one has one of the ends is broken on it. And there's Faith. Where's my little girl? All I see is the back of her head. Oh boy, they starting again.
Garçon! Service here is terrible, Faith.
All right, over and out for now.